Today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018, and this is going to be my first day documenting my basement renovation. I'm just going to show you around. It's pretty much a blank slate right now. I tore down everything. There was old cabinets here that I recently tore out, and there's the sub pump, and you can see this PEX pipe that I recently replaced just because it was jutting into the space over here, and I just wanted to try and minimize the amount of space that this closet over here had to take up with the sub pump and the water meter. So that was my first time using the PEX products, and it was actually pretty quick and easy. I was pretty happy with how that turned out. Yeah, and as you can see, there's also all this PVC, and it's fine over here, but it juts out over here, and I'm gonna be trying to build some of that into the wall, so I'll be replacing some of that as I get the 2x4s up, and I'm going to replace the check valve that's in here just because it's really noisy, and I bought one on Amazon that they say is very quiet. We'll see how it works, but yeah, as you continue to go this way, you see the rest of the space. I'm going to be getting rid of that air hockey table and all that. You can see all the foam board that I bought today for the space. And as you come along, right here is where a wall used to stand that I recently tore down just because whoever built it before really didn't know what they were doing, and it was a complete mess. So I'm going to build a wall here again, and I'm also planning on putting a wall along here to seal off this utility area with the washer and dryer and everything. Here you can see the bathroom that I previously renovated. There was a bathroom here before, but I had to tear out absolutely everything and put up new walls and all new fixtures and everything because it was a mess too, just like that other wall. Once I get the rest of the basement finished, I can do the finishing trim and everything on that. And there, you're back to the stairs, so that's the whole space that I'm going to be renovating. It's not too big, but I think it'll be a nice addition to the rest of the house once it's finished. All this foam board, most of it over here in this pile is the 1.5 inch that I decided to go with, and then there's a couple sheets of the 1/2 inch foam board. The 1/2 inch I'm going to use for the along the stairs here because there's not much space because the stairs are right against the foundation. So there's not a lot of space to work with, maybe 1 inch or so. So I'm going to be adhering that to the wall and then covering it with some kind of paneling. I haven't found the paneling yet, but the rest of it will all be drywall, finished with drywall. So the first step really is to start gluing the 1.5 inch foam board to the wall. I got all this Loctite foam board adhesive. I got like 16 tubes of it because I heard that you end up using a lot, adhering it to the walls. We'll see how much I end up using. I also got some Tyvek tape in order to seal the seams, and then some foam for some bigger gaps and seams. In the next couple of videos, I'm just going to be documenting how the whole process goes, and hopefully in not too long showing you the final result. I'll cut to a video of a SketchUp of what I envision the space looking like, and maybe it'll give you a better idea of the plans for this basement renovation. here's the quick Google SketchUp I made of my basement renovation. As you see, everything's pretty much here. You got the laundry room, the bathroom, these are the stairs coming down, and then this is all the finished area that we hope to have once it's complete. And you also have the closet here for the sub pump that we're going to build. So this is probably a lot easier to visualize than me talking about it. So as you see, I'm going to put up a bunch, and all these walls are up already, but put up all these walls all the way around the perimeter of this, and you can see it's all, like I said, to scale. So you got the thinner wall here with the paneling and the thin foam board, and then you got the thicker foam board going around, and then you got the 2x4s and everything. So this is what I made originally just to see if it was all going to work out, because my main concern was whether we were going to be able to fit a sectional couch down here, and there's plenty of room for it. It might be a little tight, but plenty of room to put this in, put it against the walls, and throw a TV up over here so we have like a second TV viewing area in the house. Also, we look forward to bringing our desks down here so we can gain some room, or gain back a bedroom upstairs. So we'll put a desk over here and a desk here, and have our office that we don't really use that much, but it's a nice space to have. And then probably build a closet over here too, see how things go. But as you can see, this is basically what I'm visualizing for the basement. There'll be some open space here, maybe some kind of table or something will go over here. Definitely going to put a bench over here with some storage for shoes underneath. And underneath the stairs here, which you can't see, we're thinking of putting like a mini fridge, just so you can have some drinks down here. So this gives you a good idea of what we're envisioning. I hope that you follow along with this little series just to see how it all finishes out, because I don't know, I feel like it'll be pretty interesting to see the final product. Thank you for watching.